when machines or systems are designed to run with minimum input from humans. This is known as automation. Automation is the process of programming a system so that it can act autonomously in accordance with a set of rules and algorithms. Autonomization works to lessen the chance of mistakes being made by humans while also raising output levels. On the other side, automation describes the utilization of electronic devices like computers and mechanical devices to carry out manual labor. Robots and other automated gear are one type of automation, but software systems that automate mundane jobs also exist. A survey of the relevant literature reveals that automation is increasingly being put to use in sectors including manufacturing, healthcare, and finance to boost output, cut expenses, and streamline operations. In industries, automation has been utilized to automate the production process by giving machines the ability to carry out repetitive operations without human intervention. Automation has been utilized to automate patient monitoring and diagnosis in the healthcare business, freeing up medical experts to focus on more intricate responsibilities. The general consensus is that automation is the next logical step after automation, with the potential to increase both efficiency and production even further. Concerns about job loss and the necessity for workers to learn new skills are also raised by the rapid development of automation.